The pictures you see are related to removing Cestodes parasitic worms or Cestodes tapeworms from the dog's body. If these images bother you, please do not watch the rest of the video. Hello dear friends, I hope you are healthy. In this video, we are going to talk about Cestodes parasitic worms that infect the dog's body. Cestodes or tapeworms are tapeworms that live in the intestines of dogs. Of course, the images you see above are the infection of horses with Cestodes parasitic worms, which when the Cestodes worm matures in the horse's intestines. These worms move upwards and come out of the horse's nose. As you can see in the pictures, the length of the adult worm may be several meters will reach. In both dogs and horses and even in humans, these parasites have claws in their head, which is called the scolex, to stick to the intestinal wall, by which they stick to the intestinal wall of animals or humans and absorb nutrients from their bodies. They cause weakness and disease in the animal. Cestodes have different types and their length can vary from a few millimeters to several meters. But how do dogs get cestodes? Dogs usually contract this parasite by eating raw or undercooked meat contaminated with cestode cysts. Also, eating infected lice or direct contact with infected dog feces can also cause transmission of this parasite. But what is the life cycle of Cestodes tapeworms? The life cycle of cestodes is complex and includes intermediate hosts such as rodents. Cestode eggs are excreted into the environment through the feces of an infected dog. If rodents such as mice or rabbits eat these eggs, the cestode larvae will develop into adults. Then, the dog becomes infected with the adult cestode worm by eating infected rodents. Of course, if the dog comes in contact with the contaminated feces of other dogs or infected human feces, it will be infected with the cestode parasite. Symptoms of cestodes infestation in dogs can be mild or severe and include weight loss, increased appetite, dull and brittle hair, diarrhea, vomiting, lethargy, and seeing small white pieces of worms in the stool. Cestodes can cause a number of problems for dogs, including anemia, malnutrition, intestinal obstruction, and in more severe cases, death. Also, some types of cestodes can cause diseases in humans. Treatment. Treatment of cestodes in dogs is usually done using antiparasitic drugs. According to the type of cestode and the health status of the dog, the veterinarian prescribes the appropriate medicine. Also, observing the hygiene of the environment and preventing the contact of the dog with contaminated feces plays an important role in the prevention and control of this parasite. Of course, the treatment in humans is done with metronidazole tablets.